I'm going to share with you a little tip on how to buy the right tile for your home. Every single tile has a slip resistance rating called a COF rating system. This system will help you avoid slipping to the hospital before you purchase your tile. A COF, or coefficient of friction rating, will help you determine if you are buying the right tile for the right location. For example, the tile right here is polished, and therefore the rating will be closer to 0. Every tile rating that is closer to 0 is more slipperier. Compared to something that's like this, that is unpolished, it will be closer to 3. And this as well, it has a little bit more texture. So remember, if you're looking for tile in a bathroom or a kitchen area or a place where you don't want to slip, pay attention to that COF rating.